We came to the game today, it didn't feel the same as last year. We were so relaxed, so confident of our skill sets, and we just knew if we play to our potential, we are the best team in the comp, and the league stage was a proof of that. We finished top of the league table and ended up getting to the finals before everyone else, and yeah, just very professional, very mature performance from the whole team throughout the season, and yeah, we just didn't have any doubts coming in today.
Just past, and it will be 50. His fastest ever in the IPL.
That's it. He finishes off in style with a 6. It's back-to-back titles for RCB.
The fact that I continue to play and compete, I want to keep improving and find areas in my game where I can make a difference and help the team's cause. That's always been my focus, and yeah, just the game's changing pretty rapidly, so just an opportunity for me to kind of look at areas where I can get better, and yeah, the explosive side of the game was something that needs to be taken care of nowadays. So if you see, I'm not a guy who hit 40, 56s a season, but I can hit 70, 84s. So I really worked on that aspect of my game, saying I'm going to hit the shots I can hit more often and take the bowlers on. So yeah, I mean, look, that's always been my goal, to be as consistent and as impactful as possible. And yeah, feels good to know that when I play longer in the game, our success rate is 100% for the last 2 seasons, and that gives me clarity as well, that if I bat for long enough in the game, our chances of winning improve significantly, and of course, it's a great feeling. Well, it's about understanding situations in the game. The preparation has to be such that you can play in probably 3-4 different ways. If the pitch gets tough, then you should be able to hit boundaries and not just 6s. Even if that's not possible, then you should be able to rotate strike and stay in the game. So I try to prepare a well-rounded game and try to implement that as best as I can in every situation that I play, and that's the only thing I urge the youngsters to kind of understand, is play according to the situation and the demands of the game. If you stay with the situation of the game, you're always going to be able to find solutions. For that, you need to do the work behind the scenes when you're not competing. So that's probably the process to go about things when you want to make an impact on the field. And yeah, hopefully whoever comes to have a chat with me, I can convey the same message with clarity and just yeah, keep the standard of Indian cricket high.